Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are absolutely fine and you must be enjoying yourselves. And today I am going to talk about girls' education and how important the girls' education is and how can they become self-reliant or self-dependent. So today's topic is very interesting. Please watch it till the very end. So it's very easy for a girl to be self-reliant or self-dependent if their English is strong or if they can speak English fluently or even they can't speak English fluently but they have knowledge of English. If they want to teach in a private school, they have to be strong in English and it is their parents who can make them self-reliant or self-dependent because if their parents are not active or not aware, then the girl is going to do nothing. And if their parents are aware, if their parents are conscious, the girls will definitely be self-reliant. That's for sure. And dear friends, as you know that I am a very good teacher of English, right? But in my village, most of the people don't know about me. They are not aware of that. Even I am not getting due respect in my village because it's a village area. Most of the people are illiterate. They don't know about your degree, about your experience. On my channel All Round Knowledge, I have got over 45 lakhs views, and very soon by 2021 I will hit the 1 crore club and I will cross 1 lakh subscribers too. So that's my talent, that's my ability that you like, and that's why you subscribe to my channel. Do you know I have a coaching center in my village, but it's not running well because most of the villagers in my village are illiterate. They don't know about me and what I am trying to do. They are completely ignorant of that. I want to do a lot of things for my society, but people are not supporting me. I am not getting popular support or the support of the villagers or the support from society. But I am very thankful to YouTube that they have provided me a platform through which I am reaching you. So I am very thankful to YouTube, and now I have got a family. You are my viewers and you are the member of All Round Knowledge. You are the member of my family. You are most welcome. So overall we can say that making English of the girls strong is one of the best way to make them self-reliant. They can teach in a private school very easily and they can get salary up to 10,000 if they are very talented. And if they can talk in English, if their communication skill is very good, even they can get job in a big restaurant as well. And I want to educate the girls of my village, but I am not getting support. 2 3 girls are not coming to me. I want to do a lot for my society, especially for the girls, but I am not getting the support from people. I see all around that these girls are just wandering here and there, and in present scenario, they are not going to even school. They are just playing here and there. I want to educate them. I want to give them quality education, but I am not getting the support from my society, from my village. That's very, very unfortunate for my society. And when will they become aware? I don't know. Once I hit 1 lakh subscribers, once I hit 1 crore views, and I make some good money, only then they will come to know about me, I think. But I am getting support from you. You are respecting me, and I am getting due respect on my channel through YouTube. I am very happy about that. And once again, I am very thankful to all of you, to all the viewers of All Round Knowledge. So these are the things which I wanted to say today. And now it's time to wrap up today's video. Catch you in the next video. Till then, this is your teacher Imtiaz sir says tada bye bye. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.